Have you ever looked at your bank account the day before payday and thought, where did it all go? You work hard, you clock in, clock out, you pay your bills, you try to be responsible, but somehow every month, the money vanishes. You're not reckless. You're just surviving, and you're tired of it. This isn't about luxury. This is about breathing room. This is about freedom. Freedom from the silent stress of overdraft emails. Freedom from counting down days until the next paycheck like you're in a never-ending loop. If that sounds like you, this video is your reset button, because today, I'm breaking down 5 simple steps that can help you finally escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. And before you think, yeah, but my situation's different, stick with me, because I promise, this isn't about becoming rich overnight, it's about finally taking control. Step 1. Know where your money goes. Let's start with the truth most people avoid. You can't change what you don't track. Ask yourself, where is your money actually going? Not where you think it goes, not what your budget spreadsheet said last year, but this month, this week, today. One of the biggest reasons people stay stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck loop is because they're financially unconscious. You remember rent, you remember the car payment. But what about the dozens of micro-spending moments, the $12 lunch twice a week, the subscriptions you forgot about, the coffee runs, the Target runs that were just one thing? Those add up. Download a free expense tracker app like Mint, Monarch, or Rocket Money, or just open a simple spreadsheet. For 1 month, track everything, every single dollar. Not to judge yourself, but to wake up. Because awareness is your first financial weapon. What gets measured, gets managed. Let me tell you about Danny. He was 33, married, 2 kids, earning just over $60K a year. He wasn't irresponsible, but money always disappeared. Every month ended in anxiety. When he started tracking, he discovered he was spending over $400 a month on food delivery and convenience buys. He felt embarrassed at first, but instead of shame, he used that as fuel. 6 months later, after making a few intentional changes, he had $3,000 in savings for the first time in his life, all because he stopped living on autopilot. Step 2. Pay yourself first. Now that you see where your money goes, it's time to redirect it. Here's a powerful mindset shift. Treat your savings like a bill. It's non-negotiable, because if you only save what's left over, there will never be anything left. So what does pay yourself first look like? Set up automatic transfers. Start small, maybe $50 per paycheck, maybe $10. Just make it automatic and untouchable. Use high-yield savings accounts. Right now, many are paying over 4% APY, meaning your money grows just by sitting there. Label your savings account something motivating. Freedom Fund. Goodbye Paycheck Trap. Peace of mind. Because when saving feels like purpose, not punishment, you'll stick with it. Step 3. Build your safety net. What keeps most people in the paycheck cycle isn't just spending, it's emergencies. The car breaks down, a medical bill shows up, your hours get cut, and without savings you go into panic mode. Credit cards, loans, borrowing, then you spend months recovering just to be knocked down again. That's why your next mission is to build your emergency fund. Start with $1,000, that's your first milestone. After that, aim for 3-6 months of expenses. If that feels overwhelming, remember this. It's not about reaching it overnight, it's about building your resilience. Every dollar you save is one less dollar of anxiety later. Savings turns chaos into inconvenience. If this is helping you see things differently, hit that like button and subscribe. We've got more videos coming every week with real strategies to help you build wealth, reduce stress, and finally breathe again. Step 4. Eliminate silent killers. It's time to go hunting, not for income but for leaks. The money silently draining your financial energy. High-interest credit cards, useless subscriptions, overpriced phone plans, monthly extras that don't bring value. Look at every recurring charge. Ask, do I still need this? Is there a cheaper option? Call companies, ask for discounts, cancel what doesn't serve you. For debt, Look into the avalanche method, pay off the highest interest first. The snowball method, pay off the smallest balance first for momentum. If you're overwhelmed, consider nonprofit credit counseling. Reputable ones like NFCC can help negotiate better payment plans, because every dollar you free up becomes a soldier fighting for your freedom. Step 5. Increase the gap. This is where real freedom begins. Once you stop bleeding money, once you start saving and stabilizing, it's time to increase the gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap, that's the key to everything. Use it to build wealth, invest for the future, escape debt, fund your dreams, and yes, income matters. So don't be afraid to pursue more. Ask for a raise. Learn high-income skills, like copywriting, tech sales, remote support. Start a side hustle, like freelance, digital products, tutoring. But don't wait for your income to change before you act. Mastering your spending now ensures you'll actually keep your future earnings. Let's talk about Lisa. She was a teacher, single mom, earning under $50K. She felt stuck, tired, broke. She started tracking, saving $25 a week. She cut $300 in expenses by canceling old services. Then she picked up a weekend side hustle doing pet sitting. 2 years later, Lisa had paid off her car, saved $12K, and had her first investment account. She didn't win the lottery, she didn't get lucky, she got intentional. That's the difference between financial frustration and financial freedom. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't about laziness, it's about patterns. And once you change your patterns, your life can change too. So let's recap. Track everything. Know where your money goes. Pay yourself first. Automate your savings. Build a safety net. Protect your future. Kill silent money drains. Grow the gap. Earn more. Spend less. Use the difference wisely. This journey isn't about being perfect, it's about being consistent. You don't need to make 6 figures. You don't need to be a finance expert, you just need to start. So here's your question of the day. Which of these 5 steps are you going to take this week? Drop it in the comments. Even if it's just tracking for 7 days. Your commitment starts now. If this helped, share it with someone else who needs a fresh start. And don't forget to subscribe because your financial freedom is a journey, and we're walking it with you. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a licensed advisor for your personal situation.